Hello world, this is Matthias Messman from CS15 Web Programming is Python and JavaScript. This project has 7 specifications. The first one, the entry page specification. If a user types /wiki /valid encyclopedia, it should be taken to a page displaying the title and the description. And what if the user types invalid encyclopedia such as Africa, which is not in our database, is going to display an error page with a choice to add a new encyclopedia, which works. And we have also used the appropriate util function to manage this. To manage this, we have used the appropriate util function. The second specification is the index page specification. We should have updated the index page so it would look like this, not just merely listing this, but also having their own links to their descriptions. So it works. The third requirement is the search requirement. The search in the search bar, if we type for anything with the exact match, you should be taken to a page with that search term. Where if you type an entry with just substring of encyclopedia, is going to take you to the search result page with this entries as a search result. Also, this entries should link to their details. The fourth requirement is the view page requirement. The new page requirement. The new page requirement tells us clicking on this page should take us to this form, which actually asks you these pose two fields as required. If we create an empty encyclopedia, this is going to ask us to fill this. So if we also try to add new encyclopedia with existing name, let's say Python is awesome. And if you want to create this an error page displaying the above entry already exists. So uh, the requirement is now partially satisfied. To demonstrate that this requirement is fully satisfied, we should add a new entry. Let's say Amazon. Amazon, let's say Amazon Web Services. And let's type in here markdown content Amazon Web Services uses. Let's just paste this here and let's just press this one. So it should take us to this page. That's what the requirement says. So it's fully satisfied. The fifth requirement is the edit page. If you click this sign or in any of these entries, if you click the edit sign, you should be taken to a pre-populated form, which is as you can see here, and there should be displayed the markdown content here, and that's also working. And after you have changed your save, this is my change. This is my change. When you save it, you are going to be redirected to the new page with the new change. The sixth requirement is the random page. Random page displays a random entry, so this works. The seventh is markdown to HTML conversion. As you can see, for example, Django, here is the HTML version of the encyclopedia, but if you click the edit button, the Python will have the markdown version of written in this text area. So thanks for your time. Have a good day.